I'm pretty sure that this cat is, or we are pretty sure that this cat is going to have babies very, very soon. So I'm not really keen to having her inside where we live, because I don't really like when animals give birth. At least in my home. We feed the cat, that's it.
I'm a cat, I go meow meow meow, meow meow meow, meow meow meow.
Ja du Annika, hur tycker du att det går med nya modet på skorna då?
Ja, men jag tycker det känns riktigt bra.
Ja.
Ja, alltid kommer det väcka uppmärksamhet på någon.
Men vi kör så. Så gör vi.
Ta bort den.
So Thailand is never not interesting. And there are some noise pollution in Thailand that I would like to show you. When you are sitting down and eating lunch, somebody starts pumping water behind you. So we are back from the doctor, and it's time for an update on Annika's toe. She had her nail removed yesterday, and today we were supposed to go there and get the toe cleaned, which we did, and it looked really good. So we are, we are looking forward to her healing up perfectly, and she may or may not get the nail back, but at least it's gonna heal. It's gonna be fine, hopefully without any infections. And as you can see in the background, that is her toe, nothing else. Perfect shot. So that's more or less it. The price, 300 baht for like 10 minutes of cleaning with 3 different strange fluids. One was actually something you can buy at 7-Eleven, Dettol or whatever it's called, some antibacterial stuff, and they mix that with a saline solution, and then they use iodine to just wrap it up more or less, and they repackage the toe. Annika said, or let's put it like this, I can hear her almost scream about how much pain it was to remove that. If you have a wound and then it gets stuck in it, it's never nice. So, but we are feeling confident about this, and they asked us if we want to do it ourselves, which would mean, would I want to do it? No. So we're going back tomorrow again, and they're going to clean it again, and so on. Also just to keep any, if any, infections in check. 300 baht. No waiting, no nothing. Just arrived, walked in, got service. She texted the doctor, I think. She did something with the phone. I'm guessing she texted the doctor, and the doctor said, yeah, I fixed it. Went in. This time she actually had slippers on, not barefoot as they were yesterday. But yeah, it works. It's human beings, it's not rocket science. And probably they are less sick here than they are in a Western country where everything needs to be sterile all the time. My mother always said that lite smuts rensar magen. I don't really maybe agree on everything she said, but but this is update. Looks good. She's not in that much pain anymore. Hopefully it stays that way, and she doesn't hit anything with that toe again, because I'm pretty sure if she hits something and it's gonna be painful, it's just gonna hit me, or and we don't want that. I also want to add to this video, it is getting insanely hot in Thailand. if you look at the forecast on the iOS app, I don't really know where they're getting the numbers from, but it's not from here. I tried different places in Phuket, but they're not even close to being right. It says like 32 degrees Celsius. We have at least 30 degrees at 9 in the morning, and that is, you know, before the sun has been up, and the sun is warm. And you can notice that on Thai people, because they are getting they're getting slower and slower, and I totally understand. It's so warm, hot here, so it's you know, you're in the middle of the day just sitting and doing nothing if you're outside, which is good. I like that, but it's I didn't think that it should affect me this much as it did, as it does. But you know, I'm not the one complaining when it's warm. I'm the one complaining when it's cold. But the flies are getting really annoying. That's a downside. The pool is still nice. Yeah, we're pretty happy with this place. Maybe we'll stay another month. We're looking for a house, of course, but if we can't find it, yeah, we'll probably stay here for 1 more month. The prices are going down in April. They're going down a lot in April, so this place is gonna be from being expensive to being, from in the Western world, quite cheap. So I think it's totally worth it. I want to add, I actually forgot about this, I had it in a couple of videos back, and it's today's phrase. One of the things I'm going to say a lot is Savadi Kap as a male. As a female you say Savadi Ka. Some people actually say Krap, Savadi Krap, but the short version of it is, or I would say that the sloppy version of it is Savadi Kap. That means hi. And they don't have good morning, good night. They say Savadi Kap. For every hi that they say, it's Savadi Kap. Savadi Kap. Always use the Kap phrase, which is the, you know, polite part of it. And if you're staying here for a while, you will notice that Savadi Kap probably is the thing you're gonna use the most. So Kap kun Kap. Savadi Kap, and subscribe. Kap.